I just wanted to make this little video showing how to navigate through the Polymer Week Society members platform. Once you log in to the platform with your email, that will bring you to the main page, where you can then select the tabs at the top to go to the different areas of the platform. The first page, before you click anything, is just an overall and some quick links to get to other parts of the page. At the top, the first one, aside from membership, is online classes. When you click that, you get to where there are the 2024 classes and the previous years are below. These are Masters Teach Basic type classes or projects. The next one coming up, you can see, is February 17th, and the most recent one on January 20th. And here are some past classes. These are all live Zoom workshop recordings of every class and project. Click on the one you want to view, and then you can watch it. When you click on one, it'll take you to a video tab. Going back to the top, the next tab is for events. Events are monthly meetings or artist interviews. Here's one that was recent, and there's the next upcoming interview, followed by the online workshop with Shara Shiver again on Saturday, the 17th of February. Your next tab is News. News gives you any updates on anything special going on. Recent challenges. There are monthly challenges you can enter that just started this year. And some quick tabs for different topic-specific types of tutorials. But anything new going on will be at the top. The next one is Discovery. Discovery is broken down by the different aspects of the website. Once you click on it, you can scroll down, and here's some different things like the online classes tab that lets you explore all the online artist tutorial classes in video form. Here are all different classes. And going back to the Discovery tab, there are different things below the online classes. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see the different sessions and meetings and all the recordings from that. And then there's another tab to watch all recordings. Then there's artist interviews and articles that you can read. Then you get to the tutorials. And there's lots of tutorials. And I will pick a sample tutorial here in just a second to show you what a tutorial looks like. Once you click on tutorial, you can see the most viewed or recent at the top. You can go to page 2 or 3. Okay, so let me pick a tutorial, and I'll click on this atomic disc from Delia. And it loads the tutorial, and you get a brief description of the artist, all the tools, and then each step of the tutorial with photos, and then the finished project at the end. Every tutorial that's in a written format is like this. They're detailed and for the average artist to follow. If you go back up to the top and select store, it will take you to the Polymer Week store where you can buy all of Lucy's products, the magazine, and the magazine, every magazine has totally separate tutorials and articles that are on the society. They are two separate products and entities. There is no crossing over between the two as far as content is considered. But here's an overview of a lot of the products that are sold on the website. And when you're done shopping, you can then go back at the very top. And when you do get to the top, there's different tabs on the top of this store page. One goes to Lucy's podcast, where she has video interviews with artists, and you can check those out and watch them. Then you can go back up and choose the blog, which the blog has lots of artist spotlights, details of their work and their story with polymer clay. And there's lots of them. Some of them you can refer back to the magazine or the society. They may have tutorials that go along with these short spotlight interviews. Sample of a blog post. This is Sarah Ammerheim, and this is just a quick story of her work. That's her store in Italy. She will be teaching at the Polymer Week online event in early March. If you want to check that out, that's open and available to anyone. And then from here, you can also go back to the Society tab. I hope you enjoyed this little video. I hope it helps you get around the Society.